Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will introduce you to SUNSOAR's rapid prototyping service and explore our expertise in PCB manufacturing and assembly, 3D printing, and CNC machining. Rapid prototyping is a key process for quickly turning design concepts into actual products. SUNSOAR leverages advanced technologies and equipment to provide efficient and precise rapid prototyping solutions. From prototype design to the final product, we ensure each step meets customer requirements and industry standards. In terms of PCB manufacturing, SUNSOAR boasts advanced production lines and a strict quality control system. Our service includes PCB design, manufacturing, assembly, and testing. Whether it's single-sided, double-sided, or multi-layer boards, we can meet your needs. Each step is meticulously inspected to ensure high quality and reliability. 3D printing is a crucial component of modern manufacturing. SUNSOAR offers a variety of 3D printing technologies that can quickly create complex parts. Our 3D printing service are widely used in prototype development, small batch production, and custom part manufacturing. CNC machining is a high-precision manufacturing technology widely used for processing metal and plastic parts. SUNSOAR is equipped with advanced CNC machining equipment capable of handling various complex machining tasks, whether it's milling, turning, or drilling. We provide high-quality machining service. In summary, SUNSOAR is dedicated to providing comprehensive manufacturing and processing service. From rapid prototyping and PCB manufacturing and assembly to 3D printing and CNC machining, we consistently uphold high quality and efficiency. If you have any needs or questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.